Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the dimension. So the dimension is located in the annotation panel. So here in the flyout, we have types of dimension. One is the linear, the align, the angular, arc length, radius, diameter, the ordinate, and the jog. So first, we are going to change our layer. We have a layer for the dimension, and then we'll get the dimension of this object. So first we'll use the linear dimension, and we'll get the dimension. Okay, and then next this one, so we'll use again the linear. We can press the space bar in the keyboard to bring back the linear dimension. Then from here up to here. Okay, again press the space bar for linear dimension, and okay, and then we can use another one, the dimension continue. So we'll select this one, and then we'll select continue. So from here to here. Okay. Next, linear dimension, this one and this one. Now we're going to get the dimension of this line here. So we're going to use the align dimension from here. Okay, and then we'll get the diameter dimension of this circle. So we're going to use the diameter. We'll select this circle. Okay, it has the sign of diameter, the theta, and then last we'll get the radius of this circle. So we'll use the radius, and we'll select this, and we have the radius. Okay, so next we can also get the angular dimension. So we'll select the angular. So from here we can get to this one. Okay, so this is how to use the dimension command. Okay, next we'll get the dimension of this one. So first we'll get the radius of the circle. So we'll use the radius command. Okay, and then we can also get the diameter. We'll use the diameter. Okay, so the diameter is 2 times the radius. And then we can now use the align to get the dimension of this object inside the circle. So we'll use the align. Let's say we'll get from this one here. Okay. And then can also get the align dimension from here going to here. Okay, so this is it for this object. Next we'll go to this arc. So we're going to use the arc length. Okay. to get this arc dimension. So we'll select. Okay, so this is the dimension of this arc. Okay, so next we're going to get the dimension of this one. So first we're going to use the linear dimension. Okay, and then we can use the continue. So we stop from here, we select here, and then it will continue the dimension. Okay, and then we can also use the baseline dimension. So let's say first we'll get the linear. Let's say this one. Okay, and then we'll select the baseline, and this is our baseline as origin, and then from here going to here, and then going to this one. So this is how to get the baseline dimension. So next we're going to get the dimension of this object. So this object, we can first get the degree of this object, the angular. So let's first draw a line here. Okay, then we'll use the angular dimension. So this is a 30 degree. Okay, and now we will get the align dimension. So we'll select the align dimension. So from here, let's turn off our ortho, and then here. Okay, so we can modify our dimension so that our dimension will be aligned to this line. So we'll type dim edit or dimension edit. Okay, and then we'll select the oblique, and then it says here select the object. So we'll select our dimension, then enter, and then enter the angle. So we'll give the reference from here to here. So our dimension now is aligned to this line. Okay, so again, to finish, we'll get the dimension, the align dimension. Okay, from here. So here we have a problem. Okay, so because we are now trying to get the dimension of different points. So the solution for this dimension is we are going to use the dimension rotate. So dim rotated, okay, dim rotated, enter, and then it says here specify an angle for dimension line. So we'll select from here, going this one, and then specify first extension line origin. So for our extension line, we'll select here, and then second extension line origin, going back here, and then now we can now get the dimension. So let's modify our dimension. Then edit, select the oblique, select the dimension, enter, and we'll give the reference for our dimension to be aligned this line. Okay, so now we have the dimension. So this is how to use the dimension edit. Okay, and to dimension, use the align dimension with different points. Okay, so this is how to use the dimension edit. Okay, and then last, we're going to use the dimension ordinate. So the dimension ordinate, the reference for the dimension is our UCS. So this will be the reference of the dimension. So select this one, and then we'll select the ordinate. So let's say here. Okay, so let's turn on the ortho. Okay, and then okay, so the dimension here is based in our UCS. So if we are going to check, so let's say we are going to draw a line, select the line, and we're going to use the coordinate. So let's say for the y-axis 0, comma, and for the x-axis we'll type 7.59. 7.59. Enter. So as you can see, we have, so here from 0, the x-axis and y-axis is the 7.59. So meaning the reference of this dimension is in our UCS. The point of origin is 0, 0. Okay, so this is how to use the dimension command. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please click the notification bell to receive the latest video from this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.